everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with my second look for my 12 days of Slaymas. I did not upload this weekend, so you guys will see this look probably Monday, which is today if you're watching this now, of course. So I decided to do a lazy Christmas look, very simple. So originally I was going to do the red under the eye and then a green lip, but I completely forgot while I was filming. So this is what we're working with, okay? Another red lip look going on. You can't beat a red lip. But anywho, that is pretty much it. We're gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. So I went ahead and did my brows, primed my eyes, applied my foundation, my concealer, and my contour. Only thing I haven't done is set my foundation. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the eyes. Very simple. That's why this is called a lazy Christmas look. So for my eyes, we want the lid to be real, like, you know, neutral and natural. So I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless powder in a 330 Toffee. And just how I would apply eyeshadow is how I'm going to apply this powder on my eyes.
Your eyes outshine the town, they do. Ooh, hey, fireside is blazing bright, yeah. With color to the night. This Christmas will be a very special Christmas. Very special for me.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and go into my matte book by the Crayon case. I'm gonna take this shade. I'm gonna take this shade right here and put that on top because I think I waited too long. There we go.
Now we could drink to that. Ooh, oh. Fireside is blazing bright.
Right. So I went ahead and applied that shadow on top of the powder because it wasn't working for me. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do a simple wing liner, and I'm going to use my E.L.F. liquid eyeliner.
Hey, for me and you, yeah. Hey, yeah. Hey, yo, man, we need to learn how to take these times, these precious moments, and spend it with the ones you love. For real. Hey, yo, man, it's your man 504 Detroit. We came a long way. I want to say a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all my people, man. Y'all keep y'all head up.
So while my liner dries down, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with my Maybelline Matte and Poreless powder in 330 Toffee. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply my blush, which is my Mary Kay Mineral Cheek Color in Golden Copper.
Yeah. This year I got something for everybody.
Now I'm going to apply my highlight, which is the Honor Roll highlighter from the Crayon case.
On a mistletoe, I just want to get to know you better. This Christmas, and as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be together. This Christmas, fireside is blazing bright, yeah. With carrots.
So now I'm gonna go back into my matte book, and I'm gonna take this green shade. I'm gonna apply that on my bottom lash line.
For me and you, yeah. Hey, shake a hand, shake a hand. Hey, presents and cards up here. My world is full of cheers and you.
And I forgot to add some highlight in my tear duct, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that.
Around your eyes outshine the town, they do. Ooh, hey, fireside is blazing.
Now I'm gonna apply my mascara. So this is my L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. I'm going to apply this to my top lashes and my bottom.
Special Christmas, very special, me and you, yeah, yeah. Shake a hand, shake a hand.
We're almost done. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lashes. These are lashes by Lash 7, and this is in the style Bambi.
Fireside is blazing bright, yeah. With Carolyn through the night. And this Christmas will be a very special Christmas for me and you, yeah. For me and you, yeah.
So now I'm going to apply my lipstick. So you guys have seen this lip combo already. So I'm using my Wet n Wild lip liner in Berry Red. Then I'm going to use my Pop Beauty Permanent Pout lipstick in Red Velvet.
Great, we came a long way. I want to say a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all my people, man. Y'all keep y'all head up and keep going your life. And with him in your life, anything is possible. Yeah.
And now time to spray my whole entire face. So I'm using my Maybelline Lasting Fix Spray. So this is pretty much the final look. Very simple, lazy, but cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know what kind of Christmas / holiday inspired looks you guys would like to see for my 12th day of Slaymas. Don't forget to share with your family and your friends. And of course, if you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and click on that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell so you will not miss a new upload from yours truly. Once again, hope you guys enjoyed the video and I will see you in my next video.
A very special Christmas.